hair falls out, teeth get loose, warts on tongue, abortion. Medicine Aurum Muriaticum Natronatum. होम्योपैथी अपनाएं, बीमारियों से छुटकारा पाएं। मित्रों नमस्कार, आपका मेरे चैनल पर हार्दिक स्वागत है। इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करते हुए बेल आइकन को प्रेस करके ऑल के ऊपर ज़रूर क्लिक करें ताकि आपको आने वाले सभी वीडियोज़ का नोटिफिकेशन मिल सके। The purpose of knowledge shared here is only educational and to increase awareness. Please always consult your doctor before taking any medicine. Self-treatment may always be injurious. Friends, today we shall know when to use medicine Aurum Muriaticum Natronatum in cases where hair falls out, teeth get loose, warts on tongue and abortion. Dose is suggested at the end. दवा की मात्रा और पोटेंसी अंत में बताई गई है। आइए जाने इन केसेस वेयर हेयर फॉल्स आउट, टीथ गेट लूज, वार्स ऑन टंग एंड एबॉर्शन की स्थिति में दवा Aurum Muriaticum Natronatum कब उपयोगी है। Aurum Muriaticum Natronatum has most pronounced effect on the female organs, has more power over uterine tumors than any other remedy, psoriasis syphilitica, high blood pressure due to disturbed function of nervous mechanism, arteriosclerosis, syphilitic ataxia. In sick, his disposition is much brighter, mercuriosyphilis, feeling of unrest and impatience after vexation, jaundice, continual humming in head with beating of carotids almost causing delirium, violent pains on whole left side of head, mostly over eye, mercuriosyphilitic affections. Every morning pressure over eyes, pains in forehead, dullness in head, lasting until afternoon, better in evening, nasal discharge, bloody, fetid ichorus, hair falls out, amaurosis, chronic ophthalmia, malignant, cancerous, at same time nose scurfy, scrofulous ophthalmia, yellow albuginia, jaundice, swelling above left eye, mercuriosyphilis, destruction of nasal bones, angina, nasal discharge bloody, ichorus, fetid, ulcers in nose, nose swollen, hard, shining, scrofula. If he takes cold, erysipelas sets in, scurfy, oozing, tetter on nose, deep spreading syphilitic ulcer of skin of nose, affection of nasal bones, ulcers in cavities of upper jaw, complexion pale, imbone point nearly lost, periosteal indurations after a cellulitis on lower jaw, ulcer in right corner of mouth, opening mouth difficult after synapse cellularis, teeth look dirty, get loose and gums recede, caries of jaw, mercuriosyphilis, tongue furred, bitter taste, tongue white, jaundice, warts on tongue, fetid odor from mouth, mercuriosyphilis, leucorrhea, small blisters on fauces with swelling and inflammation of fauces, small ulcers on right tonsil, mercuriosyphilis, no appetite, jaundice, coldness in abdomen, pressure in right hypochondrium, jaundice, hepatic cirrhosis, dropsy without fever but threatening suffocation, ascites, feces like whitish clay, jaundice, stools harder, diuresis, dropsy. In sick, suppression of urine, urine dark, jaundice, urine gets turbid, more profuse than usual, marvus brighty, chancre on internal surface of prepuce, bubo in fold of groin, ulcers on foreskin, warts around them, ulcers on glands eating deeply, palpitation of young girls, enormous distension of an ovary, induration of one part and softening of another part of uterus, ulcers with induration of uterus, uterus fills up whole pelvis, ossified uterus, neoplasmata in abdomen, ovarian enlargement, even dropsy, leukorrhea, corroding parts, leukorrhea with spasmodic contraction of vagina, ulceration of neck of womb with vagina, pustules on genitals, leukorrhea, abortion from uterine indurations given to syphilitic mothers to prevent disease in offspring, serous of uterus, carcinoma, mama, pituitary. In sick, beating of carotid and temporal arteries visible to eye. Violence of this beating became extremely annoying, so violent nothing could calm it. The disquiet caused by it put the sufferer into constant terror, almost to delirium. Pustular eruption on back, leukorrhea. Old cases of rheumatism are gouty pains, pressure over eyes in morning, pains in forehead in morning, dullness in head in morning, headache better in evening. From October until spring, violent headache, 4 years in succession, mercuriosyphilis. In sick, dry, warm weather favors its action. Cold, wet weather causes inconvenience. In sick, unusual heat and malaise. Violent fever forcing him to keep his bed. Urine copious, ascites. Sweats only on right side, left affected side of head remains dry. Mercuriosyphilitic affections, excessive perspiration, in sick suppression of perspiration, ulcer on right corner of mouth, ulcers on right tonsil, pressure in right hypochondrium, sweats only on right side of head, pains in left side of head, swelling above left eye, affected side, left side of head does not sweat, violent pains on left side of head, pressure over eyes, pressure in right hypochondrium, itching all over body, dropsy from induration of abdominal organs, scrofula, indurations, ascites, caries, chronic suppuration of glands and bones, in sick, intolerable itching all over body, soon followed by an eruption of tubercles, little lumps, several of which become covered with dark-looking scabs. The little lumps increased and became as hard as horn. A beginning gutta sirena was soon added. Yellow skin, jaundice, deep spreading syphilitic ulcers of skin, carbonitrogenoid constitutions, mercuriosyphilitic constitutions, irritable, sanguine, bilious persons are more obnoxious to its effects than phlegmatic. Coffee and alcohol are incompatible. Dose medicine Aurum, Muriaticum, Natronatum 6, 12 and 30 potency 1 to 5 drops in 10 ml water on empty stomach or as advised by your doctor. Wishing you a happy and healthy life. Thank you.